Hush.
Literally from the movie, bro. That shit's wrong. JoJo Car is back with another video, man. And today, this is gonna be like a low-key different, little quick video, bro. We got this PVC right here, bro. And it is not the same color as this car, though. So I'm gonna have to take that shit off. But I do have these about to go in and replace for these. So that's gonna be sick, bro. And it's about the same size or whatever. Like, I know it's a little bit smaller, but it should work. It should work. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna just take this off. Let's try to do this one-handed. You think we could do this more one-handed? So yeah, that I already lucky knew it was probably not the right color. Maybe I'll get something the right color or something. I don't know. That was super easy. So look, this is just literally just piece of plastic. Look, and so they sprayed it. They probably spray painted it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try to get these holes as centered as possible. And I basically gotta match it on the other one as well. So try to do it at that peak, at that point. Yeah, that's like perfect. If I did at the point, as well, made it as tall as the point, but like right in the middle. I don't know how I would measure it. Because I don't want it to be like crooked either. I'm trying to see what I could use. Because I don't think that I have my drill bit either. So I have to probably find one over here. You guys see me chilling. I got this one. And this bigger one. And I thought I had a smaller one. I really did. I might have one in my drill set or whatever. I gotta buy some more again. But yeah, I think I left the other one on the drill at the shop at work. My small one. I might have something in here, but we'll see. Couple things. This might work. Let's see. No, it's a little bit bit big. It's a little bit bigger. Oh well, it actually like kind of is perfect. Let's see, this way down. It's like perfect, low key. Alright, so I might have to use this real quick. I need this. Thanks. Alright. I'm gonna use this. Alright, I'm gonna intermission while I set all this shit up. I gotta set that up and then set this up. So give me 1 second, y'all. Alright, y'all, I've been struggling big time. You can see I have 2 fucking holes. Big struggle. And I did it on both too. Big struggle. So that means I'm gonna probably just add another heart to the back or something. Or should I add it to the front part? So little heart, big heart. Or big heart, little heart. I kind of want to do little heart, big heart. So I think this is going to get flipperoo. Flipperoo. Oop, that back fell. All right, so, but yeah. So I'm going to do a little heart and then a big heart. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do the little heart. And this might need to be thicker anyway, so I might just do little heart. Lock it in right there. And then call it a day. See what I could do. I'll see what I do. Yeah, I don't know. Or I could do a double little heart. I don't know, yeah. But first of all, I gotta see if it goes in. So now I got it. I'm a little tired, so that's probably why I fucked up as well. But it is what it is, bro. I'm gonna cover it up and make it look better. And I honestly don't think this might be like a little bit thicker, but I'm not sure. Maybe I could put a washer. I didn't think about that. I could put a washer on this. So that's what I might do. I might put some washers and then put it on. So stay tuned to what you see. It's pretty much just me putting a heart on now. And you seeing the end of it. And then I'll have to probably fix that by tomorrow, which is pretty easy. I'll probably do that tonight. And then I'll be tired as fuck, but it's okay. So stay tuned, y'all.
Hey, Critch.